Okay, you guys, a lot of you have been asking about your refunds, asking about amended returns. I'm going to share you guys on this live video about some of the information that have been received to me. Now, as I'm in the different groups, a lot of people are still getting the 570, still getting the freeze codes. They're still getting a lot of the things that they were doing during tax season. Okay, a lot of people said they verified identity since what, March, and they still haven't received anything. Okay, again, we are in November. They started doing more tax returns October the 15th. So that kind of pushes a lot of the ones that are delayed backwards. So I know that's upsetting to a lot of you. Now, some people are still receiving updates. So for those of you who hadn't received a refund yet, you could still possibly get a refund. But it is late in the tax year, and then we're going into preseason. So right now, a lot of taxpayers are already giving the holiday loans. So for those of you who go to Jackson Hewitt and also H&R Block, they're doing the holiday loans right now. So for those of you who filed through H&R Block and Jackson Hewitt, if you need the money or you want to go through them for the holiday loans, that's the time to do it right now. So this is a busy time too. So amended returns, let me get on that. The amended returns right now, a lot of people are saying, well, my amended return is completed from 2025, but I still don't have the money. Okay, the IRS going to send you a notice and they will let you know when you will get your amended refund if you're due one. Okay, and you possibly could get that check, you guys, and then get the notice as well. So don't be discouraged in that. They will let you know. The great thing that you need to know that it is completed and you are due a refund if they let you know that you are due a refund. Make sure you go to irs.gov with where's my refund to find out, or a minute return to find out when you're going to get your refund. Now, for those who are wanting your refund from 2025, you can always check irs.gov where is my refund, but let me know. Let me let you know it updates on Saturday. But you can get your money and your checks before that updates. We have a problem with that every tax season. There's so many people filing, after tax season is over with, it takes a while for where's my refund update. So you still can get your check mailed out, or some people are actually still seeing direct deposit. So you guys, you never know as well. Now, a lot of people still asking me about $2,000 with the new administration. I always give y'all information as it comes to me. Okay, anything that I receive about the new tax laws, about the new changes, I would definitely pass the word to you through video or through my live. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I give new tax refund updates every week, especially during tax season. I've been doing this for like I'm going into 3 years, and I've been doing tax preparation for 7 years. Okay. So also know that we're getting ready to go into preseason. So filing will start also January the 3rd. Who knew, you guys, that we're already getting ready to get started for a new tax season? I know that can be discouraging for some of you that are still looking for your refund, but it still is possible. So don't lose hope. Okay. Don't lose hope. You still could possibly still, you guys, get your refund. Okay. People still getting it. But I'm just telling you, at this time, it's November. If you haven't got it, the chances are slim, but you still can get it because it all depends on the IRS. Okay. Some people get two refunds when they file during the next tax season, like in 2026, they get both of them. So if you don't get it in 2025, you can get both of them in 2026. Again, holiday loans have started for a lot of these, like H&R Block, Jackson Hewitt, also with my business as well by Grace Tax Service. You'll be in December for the holiday loans. So if you need that, get it. Also, the refund advance. The refund advance starts at the beginning of tax season when the IRS announces it. So the IRS, we do not know when the beginning of the tax season will begin because the IRS has to announce it. That's when you can start getting the refund advances. But if you need a holiday loan, right now is going on. And also, if you want the preseason, that will start January the 2nd. Okay. So make sure you have all your paperwork. If you're filing yourself, I'm letting everybody know. We see all the delays. This is a new administration. Make sure you have everything you need when you file it with your tax preparer or you filing it yourself. Okay? Because you're gonna have to have the proof. They're gonna be very strict. I'm letting y'all know ahead of time. A lot of stuff that y'all got away with the most year, you probably gonna be able to get rid of it. Get away with it. Okay? Direct e-filing. They're trying to get rid of the direct e-filing where taxpayers actually got on IRS.gov and was filing for free. A lot of people said they didn't know about it. Yes, it was on IRS.gov where you can file if you had you had to have a simple return to file on that. Now, if you had one that was complicated or complex, you could not do it. You either had to go do it yourself or ask a tax preparer or accountant. Okay? So you want to make sure during this tax season, you do everything you need to do. If you're not tax planning, I suggest you do. That's why I made sure, and I've been posting it, you guys, on my YouTube channel about the taxpayer planners that I have on Amazon. I have for taxpayers, we get money tax planner, and also tax pro bosses also are on Amazon. Okay, if you don't want to order on Amazon, you can contact me through my website, and I will try to get it out to you and ship out. So also, if you want the PDF or if you want the paperback, so I have paperbacks and also download. So you have to take advantage of that, guys, as well. All right, you guys, make sure when you filing, and I'm stressing this, that you have all your information intact. Okay, that you have proof. All right, I'm telling y'all that now. I always tell y'all every tax season, but I'm telling you, make sure you do. Okay, and I will give you information regarding the tax laws new or anything with the $2,000 that y'all talking about, the tariffs. Yes, I will post that as soon as I get more information regarding how that's going to go with taxpayers or Americans as well. Okay, so I will be sharing that as I go. Now, also again, when you book appointments with me, for those who file with me, you're gonna have to schedule whether you're doing in person or virtual. It's how I roll because we have so many people that be trying to do things at one time during tax season. And tax season is busy. You're gonna have to schedule an appointment if you want virtual. If you close by, then you can book too as well. I'm on Facebook and I'm on YouTube, and I use By Grace Tax Services LLC for those of you who want to book appointments. Also, YouTube is By Grace Tax Services LLC for more information with my tax clients. So, you guys, be mindful of everything that's going on right now. And again, you may want to check those Facebook groups. I be in the Facebook groups watching. It's so many people. You're not the only one who have not received a refund. If you think you're the only one, you are sadly mistaken. A lot of 570 codes, a lot of 18 codes, a lot of stuff going on with the transcripts, scam, fraud. I see a lot. Okay. Also, if you need to reach out to your state congressman, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you do provide all the information because they're going to have to speak on your behalf to the IRS. The IRS is a federal agency. Your state congressman can help you with that. Okay. They can step in and see what's going on and then contact you. Again, if you leave on their contact page of your state congressman, everybody's different. I'm in Alabama. Mine's going to be different based on your state. Okay. Whether it's at the house.gov or senator.gov, you guys make sure you have all your information and provide information. Okay. That's what your congressmen are there to help you when you have any problems with federal agency. They are for the people. So don't be afraid. They have to do their job and you have to get them information and you need to pick up the phone. A lot of people thinking they waiting on an email. They don't check their spam. They don't check their phone. They could call you instead of email you. So check both. Okay, you guys. Also do not give up on your refund. So many people tell me, am I ever gonna get it? Honey, you're not alone. It's a lot of people from January or February that still haven't got it. A lot of people saying, I'm not going to file early this tax season. Y'all, I'm telling you, make sure you file early and electronically because they're trying to do away with paper filing. You can do what you want to do. I'm just telling you. Okay. The IRS is trying to do away with that paper filing. They want everybody to go to direct deposit. It's the easiest way, you guys. So make sure you think about which way you're going to do with your refund. Okay. Be doing tax planning, thinking ahead, because we don't have too much longer to tax season. Okay. Be prepared. Make sure W-2 do not, if you go to a tax preparer, they say they're going to use your last check stub. That should be an alert. It's on the IRS site that they don't use last check stubs. Okay. We go by the W-2s. We go by your business information from your business accounts and stuff like that. Your business information. We have to have all that information to file. Again, they're going to be strict. Be careful this year, especially you're filing your own self, because a lot of the free filing on IRS.gov, they're probably going to do away with it, and they've been talking about it. Okay. So before you hit that submit to the IRS, make sure that you look over when you filing. Okay, well, whoever you filing with, if you filing with TurboTax, Tax Act, all them different ones, Cash USA, whichever, Cash App, y'all use different ones on my channel. Y'all be telling me. H&R Block. Be mindful, be careful, you guys. And we don't have too much longer. I hope you guys get your refund soon. If you have any questions and comments and you didn't, post them now on this live, then you can do it after. Okay? Y'all have a great day, and I will be giving you a new tax refund update and new information that is comes to me before tax season and after tax season. Okay? Weekly or else bi-weekly. Okay. All right, y'all have a great day.